Hi everyone, from this video we are going to start a new series on Docker. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest updates on our latest released videos. Here we will know what is Docker and how it helps to make the developer's life easy. First of all, what is Docker? As per Docker documentation, Docker is an open platform for developing, shipping, and running applications. Docker enables you to separate your applications from your infrastructure so you can deliver software quickly. In simpler language we can say, it is a tool for creating and managing containers. Now in this context, a question will arise in our mind, that what is container? So here is the answer, a container is a software, or a package that contain the codes, and all of its dependencies that required to run the codes. As an example, we can say the Node.js Programs and all the Node.js Runtime required to run the Node.js Programs. And now we need to know why we need container? We need container as it is independent and standardized application packages that can run in any machine. Which I mean to say, any of the multiple developers' machine, production server, anywhere, and without the hassle installing the supporting software, or packages, or environments. Now let's understand what was the problem at before. All of us know that, before working, or more specifically starting development, or coding on any project we need to set up the environment. Now what does it mean by environment setup? Environment setup means installing the runtime, languages and frameworks and the supporting packages or software. Now the catch is here. A single project is developed by multiple developers. Now we cannot expect that all the developers will install the exact same version of the runtime, languages, and frameworks, and the supporting packages or software, that means environment. As well as, it may not be possible all time to maintain the same environment in both development and production environment. As a result, what happen project or application start malfunctioning due to the mismatch of environment. Now to resolve this problem we want reliability and reproducible environments. What does it means? It means we want to have the exact same environment for development and production. This ensures that it works exactly as tested. It should be easy to share a common development environment or set up with new employees and colleagues. We don't want to uninstall and reinstall local dependencies and runtimes all the time. To achieve these, the primary solution is virtual machine, or virtual OS, which is portable. Here for every application, we will create a virtual machine, and on top of it install a virtual OS, and then install the environment, means libraries, dependencies and tools, and at last the application. Now simply every developer who are working on that application just import or install that virtual machine image to work on it. After development move that image to production server. But there are some advantages and disadvantages also. Now what are the advantages? Separated environments means for every application there are separate environments, which was expected. Environment-specific configurations are possible. Environment configurations can be shared and reproduced reliably in the form of images. And on the other hand the disadvantages are as follows. Redundant duplication means same virtual OS need to be installed for every virtual machines, which tends to waste of space. Performance can be slow, boot times or execution times can be long as lots of resources have been consumed or utilized. Reproducing on another computer or server is possible but may still be tricky. Now, to resolve those disadvantages, the modified version of virtual machine or virtual OS came into the picture, which is container. And the Docker is the tool which helps to manage and build those containers. Here the architecture is something like showing in the slide. Here instead of installing multiple virtual operating system on top of host operating system means your operating system, it comes with a OS built-in or emulated container support and Docker engine. With the help of these even we try to create multiple containers with same OS, but it downloads the OS one time only and share the same. As a result it requires less space and performance is also improved as resource utilization is reduced. Now we will see some key differences between container and virtual machines. For containers, low impact on OS, very fast, minimal disk space usage, as it used the same OS and libraries or packages everywhere it requires. Which means, download one time and use everywhere from the same source. On the other hand, for virtual machines, bigger impact on OS, slower, higher disk space usage, as same OS and libraries or packages are copied multiple times for every virtual machines. For containers, sharing, rebuilding and distribution is easy. But on the other hand, for virtual machines, sharing, rebuilding and distribution can be challenging, as it requires some additional complex steps compared to the containers. For containers, it encapsulates apps or environments instead of whole machines. On the other hand, for virtual machines it encapsulates whole machines instead of just apps or environments. So we can easily say it requires more resources, and which leads to slower down the system or application. Hope you like our content. For more content like this, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Follow us on the social handles. Links in the description below.